against it, overseas cars come and show you, so you're not to the truck from morning, you know, it's just the setup and the tune.
876 Streets is powered by
Hi Specs, how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Alright.
How has drag racing been for you over the years?
Fun. That's what I started it for in the first place.
Yeah.
People are pushing and say, oh, you need to go fast. At least I was comfortable in 12. So after that, I started trying. So I'm at 9 seconds.
Oh, awesome.
Congratulations, boss. Congratulations. Congratulations. How much do you think that was? 9-9.
How long has it taken for you to improve to 9?
First time I was back in 2015. First time was 13s and then I went to 12s the next week. I was just in 12s for a long time. So I think I'm good with the ones that I'm doing my changes.
Okay.
That's when it started. So
Okay, and I know that you tune quite a few of the cars here. How do you feel about the cars that you've worked on here?
well, I love them. Every single one, from the slowest to the fastest. Treat all of them the same. If any of my customers help at the track and they're willing to, even if I want to launch control, that's a track support. I really like to see all my cars.
I must say, I've seen quite a few of them and they're quite impressive on the track. In regards to the future of drag racing in Jamaica, what are your views?
It's looking very good. As recently, Kenty and as against it, overseas cars come and show you, so you're not to the truck from morning. Just the setup and the tune and stuff like that. So I guess they're going to push us. Definitely. I see it getting this. Definitely.
All the best to you and the rest of the year in the Caribbean Championship.
Thank you.
Alright, have a good one.
That's a big up 876 Street.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.